Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Den English World. My name is Amna. Today, I'm going to tell you about my daily routine in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me to practice your speaking. Let's begin. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is thank God for a new day. Then I make my bed. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower. I feel fresh and ready to start my day. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually have a cup of tea and some bread. Sometimes I eat eggs and fruit. While having breakfast, I like to listen to soft music. Sometimes I watch the morning news. After breakfast, I clean the table. Then I check my phone for messages or notifications. After that, I get ready to start my study time. At around 9 o'clock, I begin my work. I am an English student. I usually read my books and write notes. I also practice speaking English aloud. Sometimes I watch online English lessons. Other times, I listen to podcasts to improve my listening. I always keep a notebook beside me. Whenever I learn a new word, I write it down. Learning English every day helps me feel confident. After studying for a few hours, I take a short break. I drink some water or juice. Sometimes I have a light snack. Then I continue my work until around 1 o'clock. By that time, I start feeling hungry again. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch with my family. We eat rice, curry, and salad. After lunch, I help my mom in the kitchen. Then I take a short nap to rest. A short nap gives me more energy. When I wake up again, it's usually around 3:30 or 4 o'clock. I check my phone and reply to messages. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos to relax. In the evening, I like to go for a walk. Sometimes I meet my friends. Other times, I go shopping or visit my relatives. If I stay at home, I help my mom prepare dinner. I also like to read English stories. Sometimes I practice speaking English in front of a mirror. It helps me improve my pronunciation and fluency. At night, we have dinner around 8:30. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I spend some time relaxing. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I listen to calm music before bed. Before sleeping, I thank God for the day. I plan what I want to do tomorrow. Then I brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. And finally, I go to bed around 10:30. A good night's sleep keeps me fresh and happy for the next day. That's my daily routine in English. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your daily routine in the comments below. See you in the next lesson. And remember, practice English every day and speak with confidence.